Welcome everyone to English Channel. Today we will learn Level 2 lessons. The lesson is Asking Questions in English. In this lesson, we will learn how to ask questions in English. Questions help us get information and start conversations. Many questions begin with special words called question words. The most common question words are what, where, when, why, who, how. Number 1. What? We use what to ask about things or information. What is your name? My name is Ali. What are you doing? I am studying English. What is this? This is a book. What do you want? I want water. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Number 2. Where? We use where to ask about places. Where do you live? I live in Morocco. Where are you going? I am going to school. Where is the school? The school is near my house. Where is my bag? Your bag is on the table. Where do you study? I study at school. Number 3. When? We use when to ask about time. When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. When do you go to school? I go to school at 8 a.m. When is the meeting? The meeting is tomorrow. When do you study English? I study English in the evening. When is your birthday? My birthday is in May. Number 4. Why? We use why to ask about reasons. Why are you late? Because the bus was late. Why are you happy? Because today is my birthday. Why do you study English? Because English is important. Why is he tired? Because he worked all day. Why do you like this book? Because it is interesting. Number 5. Who? We use who to ask about people. Who is your teacher? My teacher is Mr. John. Who is that boy? That boy is my friend. Who are your friends? My friends are Ali and Omar. Who is calling you? My brother is calling me. Who is in the classroom? The students are in the classroom. Number 6. How? We use how to ask about condition or manner. How are you? I am fine. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. How do you learn English? I learn English by watching videos. How is your family? My family is well. How do you spell your name? I spell my name A-L-I. Conclusion. Asking questions is very important in English. It helps you communicate with people and understand the world around you. Practice these questions every day to improve your English.
See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.